Well, good morning everybody. It's a lovely early start to a Sunday and we're off for a ride to Barnard Castle. Yesterday, lovely day weather-wise. I was regretting not going out for a ride yesterday, and then the flipping heavens opened, crazy thunder and lightning storms, everywhere was drenched. Even though it was a bit late in the day, I'm glad I wasn't out. But listen, today a little damp on the road, it's still drying up, and yeah, we're off to Barnard Castle on a nice Sunday ride out, me and me bro Andy. Both got the BMW SK1R, and we've got a nice little route ahead of us. We're going from West Lancashire up through Settle, onto Hawes, lovely roads, into Yorkshire. Then we're heading north up to Barnard Castle. Never been before, looks good, just a good destination target. And then we're going to loop back towards a place called Richmond, nice market town in Yorkshire, then on through to Skipton, back through to Clitheroe and back home. So it's about 200 and I think it's 4, 5, 6 miles. Hope you enjoy the vid. Maybe show you a few nice roads if you haven't seen them before. And if you're out yourselves today on this Sunday morning, have a good one, keep smiling and be safe. So yeah guys, on the A59 now, heading in towards Settle. We've got our Andy fancies what he calls a power tab, bit of a smoke, and yeah, it's good road. And he's obviously stretching his legs. There's loads of horses ahead, so let's be mindful. Anyway guys, so listen, this channel's just a bit of fun for me, as I said a few times, but people do seem to be checking in, and for my surprise the other day I checked and I've got bloody 72 subscribers. Yippee. Listen, that's not the objective, however I'm made up you think there's something worth watching here, and thanks very much indeed. As I said, the channel is just gonna be organic. I'm learning as I go along. I'm just literally hoping to put a bit of material that you guys appreciate. Please comment if you've got any thoughts, any questions. But yeah, the road here is nice, but when we get off the A59 towards Settle, they really get nice and twisty, and I'll check back in then. Cheers guys. So we're now on the A682 heading to Kendal, Settle. This is where the roads get real nice. I've noticed we've been a lot of bikers out today, which is good to see. I'm wondering whether they're taking the benefit of today being the last day before the shops open and things start to get busier on the roads, possibly. But yeah, this is a lovely stretch of road, this. If you haven't tried it, A682, give it a bash. And then it carries on to Hawes, which arguably is the better road, with some great sights, great views. The odd sheep you've got to look out for. But no, this whole area is gorgeous. And literally within 25 minutes, half an hour, it's on our doorstep. And the tarmac's just like a ribbon through the country. Exactly what we want. Apart from solid white lines and slow vehicles ahead, I should say, it's a great road. So Andy's in front. I think he's one of the best riders I've ever known, to be honest with you. Andy's been riding for 30 odd years now. I think he's one of the smoothest riders I've known. I came to riding quite late in the day. I did my ex-wife always said to me, if you ever get a motorbike, I'll divorce you. So I guess what I did. I've got myself a bike. So I did a direct access course 15 years ago now, so I'm rather late to biking. And my first bike was a Ninja, Kawasaki ZX6R. I went up to our Andy's. I was living down the New Forest at the time, and Andy was living up in Merseyside, Lancashire. I came up and went out for a ride with him, and as great as that was, a couple of weeks later I went for a ride on his bike, which at the time was a Gixxer Thou K5 of his, K6, whichever. Went for a ride on that, and oh my god, I just could not believe it. The power, I never realised that bikes could go that fast. Went out for a ride on it, 40 minutes later came back to Andy's. Couldn't speak for a few minutes, to be honest with you. And I just said to Andy, I just didn't know bikes could do that. So anyway, went home. A couple of weeks later, went for a test ride on a Repsol Fireblade down at Southampton Honda it was. Phoned our Andy up and they said, listen Andy, I've just been out for a test ride on a Thou. And he said, Steve, whatever you do, don't bloody do it. You'll kill yourself. You won't be riding 4 weeks. Anyway, I had a little chat, hung up. 5 minutes later, phoned him back. I said, Andy? He said, what? I said, I've gone and fucking bought it. Excuse the French, guys. And he's like, Steve, you're an idiot. Yes, but this is what we're going to do. We're going to go for a tour, and I'm going to get some basics under your belt. And we got the ferry from Plymouth to Santander, did the Pyrenees, France over the Millau Bridge, and then we did about, I don't know, 2,000 miles, I'm not quite sure, over 10 days. Took the the Formula 1 Grand Prix in at Barcelona, and Andy just started to teach me everything from the vanishing point, riding position, road position, and love biking ever since. That was 10 years ago now, maybe 14 years ago, I forget. Anyway, yeah, I love riding, but again, Andy's one of those really fast, smooth riders. I always sort of compare him with the police, you know, the way they ride nice and smooth. I put him down to that. And to be honest with you, that's one of the reasons why I'm doing the ROSPA training, although it's kibosh till September because of COVID, but yeah, anyway, on our way to Settle. I'll check in with you later. So here we are, coming into Settle now, into the market square. Popular hangout for the bikers in normal days. All the shops would be open, the cafes, the chippy. There's a particular place here that does fantastic bacon butties. Yeah, so there's a few bikes out today. There's normally a couple of hundred, but it is early. Anyway, time for a stop and a little chat. Everyone's social distancing, which is good to see. Well, respect to the 1 horsepower bikes. So that was Settle. Nice little coffee break, bacon butty, bang on. Some beautiful bikes. We've had a Porsche Club ride through, we've seen a McLaren ride through. There's GTR, fucking hell. Some lovely bikes, lovely bikes. Anyway, we're off to Hawes now. We're gonna have a little stop. Andy needs to piss, so there's a toilet there, so we're gonna pull over there, and then what I'm gonna try and do is get a few rear shots from the back of the bike, give that a bit of a try out. The new mountain position I've got. Anyway, So far so good, getting warm. Wish I hadn't put this bloody textile jacket on now. Bloody boiling. Okay, we've been heading north out of Hawes for a good 20-25 minutes now. And every turn you make there's another fantastic view. I'll tell you what though, this S1000R, it's a great all-round bike. Most of the bikes we see on these type of roads are all GSs and Tourer adventure bikes. But these bikes are so supple and nimble, they're good in all environments. Yeah, really, really pleased. Turned a bit overcast, so, which is nice because we're getting a bit boil in the bag sweaty before, so it's cooled off nicely. But yeah, just taking it easy, bit of a bimble over these moors. Got to be careful, there's sheep everywhere. Great when you can see the road ahead of you, but it's when you've got sharp blind crests on turns, you just got to be a bit careful. But it's well, look at this, every single turn is awesome. Off-roading. Yes, get in there. A friendly GS brigade. It's a great community, this biking community. This is our own Stelvio Pass. That's definitely on my bucket list, Stelvio. We were meant to be going to Belgium, France, Luxembourg, Germany. In fact, last week we were meant to be away for 9-10 days. We were going to do the infamous Black Forest B500. But anyway, it's all in the past now. We're booking next year. We've got our transportation vouchers to rebook with a Eurostar or Euroshuttle, whatever it's called. Got a credit at one of the hotels. So yeah, all good stuff. Look at that view. It's majestic today, but imagine what it's like in a full summer sunny day. Good morning, Mr. Horse. That was a horse, by the way, not the lady. This is last of the summer wine territory, and some. God, these cyclists, they've got some balls. Fucking hell. So fucking hilly here. Steep enough on the motorbike, never mind push bike. I keep on saying that, you'd be bored of me saying it, but this is a fantastic country that we live in. Just got a bit of everything. Big towns, heritage, history, culture, beautiful countryside, lovely coastline. We just do a better weather, that's all. Right, we're in the clouds. Gotta be careful. I think it's a full beam situation. Teesside, County Durham. I'll have to start talking funny now. Can't do accents, guys, sorry. I can do Scouse and that's about it. Well, there, it looks like a castle. How do we get into this place? Or have we passed it? Well, that's pretty cool. Quite sure where to stop. I think we're just going to pull up somewhere. Anyway guys, catch you in a bit after a bit of a break. Okay, nice little break here at Barnard Castle. Off to Richmond now, so we're actually not far from Scotch Corner, A66, to give you your bearings of where we are. Yeah, nice little stopover. Nice ice cream to cool down. Getting a bit humid, a bit sticky in these leathers. So we're on the southern part of the loop now, heading back in towards Yorkshire, and then we're going to loop round clockwise via a place called Leyburn. Anyway, nice little stopover at Barnard Castle. Richmond. Been here once before, came here when I was with my wife and my lad. I think it was a Sunday, it was all closed, but it was nice, so yeah, good to get back. Well, I've just seen the sight which has made me really angry. Just pulled into Richmond and there's two coppers on what looked like either an RAF or Royal Navy, military anyway, having to guard some statue. Don't know what the statue was, but bloody hell, what's this world coming to? We've got to protect our historical monuments, put into one side the politics of what the monument was and who it was in commemorating of, etc, etc, but we shouldn't be living like this where a bunch of yobs just think they can go around and bloody dismantle and trash what everyone else respects. You know, let's have a debate, let's talk about, you know, learning from the past and all that. You know, totally into that, but come on guys, that's not the way to do it. That's made me angry, that. This is Richmond. Cobbled streets. I bet you these are slippy in the wet. Not ideal road conditions for the bike. Oh well, we've decided not to stop at Richmond. I think we've actually shot past the centre, so looks lovely. Big castle there. Not sure if you can pick it up on the GoPro. Anyway, off towards Leyburn now.
If you can find the time, if ever you're free, just drop me a line and tell me where you'll be. I'll be right here. If you can find the time, just be sincere. If you can find the time, I'll wait for you. But if you can't find the time, then good be cause I don't have the time, and I don't have the patience. Why do you take me for? Why am I still waiting? Cause while you decide, I'm stuck here suffocating. Cause if you can't find the time, my bleeding heart won't make it. My bleeding heart won't make it. If you can find the time, give your love to me. Just drop me a line, tell me where you'll be. I'll be right here. If you can find the time, be sincere. Cause I don't have the time, and I don't have the patience. Why do you take me for? Why am I still waiting? Cause while you decide, I'm stuck here suffocating. Cause if you can't find the time, my bleeding heart won't make it.
A lovely stretch of road. That was nice.